Hello everyone. In this video we'll discuss using the advanced search function in Utica College Libraries catalog. Advanced search is mostly helpful as a time saver. Because it allows us to filter results starting at the beginning of our search, it means that hopefully we get relevant results a little bit more quickly because we don't have as many to sift through. You'll find the link just below our OneSearch box on our library homepage. And when you click it, you get to a page that looks a little bit like this. One of the first things that you notice is there are more search boxes than just one. This is good for possibly mixing and matching your search terms together, maybe getting a little bit more creative. You'll also notice that you can tailor your search a little bit more according to how you want the search engine to treat your search terms. You can use them as keywords, simply searching for them anywhere in the article. You could search for them only in the title, or search for them in the author's name. A good example of that would be if you want to see all that an author has written about a certain topic. To change these terms and adjust them, you find the icon for the little drop-down menu and click on that. And you get a screen that looks a little bit like this. You can see in the drop-down menu that there are far more options than simply title, author, or keyword, ranging from anything like chemical substance to the ISBN or ISSN of a book or journal. The trick is picking the right criteria for you. And once you've done that, you can look off to the right and maybe select a few databases that you'd like to limit your search to as well. Scrolling down, you also have options to say that you want results only from peer-reviewed journals, maybe limited according to a certain format like articles. Limit the publication date range, helpful for when you want to find only the most recent results. And you can even say that you want only materials that Utica College Library has access to instead of our usual wider search. And so here's the setup for our demo search here today. I'm searching for my search terms and the title of whatever I find. And I'm using our usual demo search terms of autism and childhood. Not worrying about databases at the moment. So I'm going to scroll down and then say that yes, I only want results from peer-reviewed sources. Not worrying about format, and going down to the year, I'm saying that I only want results published between 2015 and 2019. I'm not worrying about which library they come from at this point either, so I just click search, and here's my results page. So to wrap up, we use advanced search to save time because it can often help us find more relevant results more quickly by applying the limiters at the beginning of the search. And we can limit according to a number of factors, the same that you would as if you were applying the limiters after a search. So we can limit the results according to a location, time period in which something was published, the format, or the database that it was published in, among other things. If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. We welcome in-person visits, but if that's difficult for you, you can call us at 315-792-3044 for the information desk, or 315-792-3041 for the circulation desk. You can also email us at refere@utica.edu. Thank you for your time and attention.